Hi guys, it's me back and I'm about to cook you something. Wait, I've already cooked my butter chicken. What I'm going to cook up instead is some hawa. You think I'm joking? No, I'm not joking. The kind of negativity and the feedback sometimes I've been getting, sometimes that's all I feel like cooking, honestly. Let's just make hawa. We all have to do something with our lockdown time, whether it be cooking, whether it be cleaning. And also, with all these news coming along, I think it's time we start cooking some positivity. Don't you think so? Instead of focusing on all the negative things that are going around us, that's bad enough. Let's focus on the positivity. Um, on that note, I have a small appeal to all of you. I've made a really nice digital print of the mother elephant and her baby. If you'd like to order prints of that, they are now available and I'm shipping them through, I'm figuring out whether through Amazon or through a private courier. I won't be charging any extra cost for shipping. So if you'd like to order, please go ahead and DM me and let me know if you'd like a copy of my print. And having said that, I want to say that please be kind to people. When I was cooking out my cooking recipes, I had some people on FB saying, "Oh my God, I don't want to see another cooking, video or what you guys are eating with migrants dying everywhere. I don't want to know what you're wearing or what you're eating and what you're doing." People are writing this kind of stuff. Or if I'm writing on depression, then people are saying, "Oh, we don't want to know your opinion on depression. Who are you? Are you an expert?" None of us are experts. None of us are expert anything. Well, even if we've learned the craft, we are work in progress. So if you're finding something negative about everything, then I think the problem might be with you, not with other people who are doing whatever they're doing. Everyone can't be helping others or is in a position to help others. People do what they can. These things come from the heart, they come voluntarily. You can't pressurize or put your own idealistic ideas onto other people. Let people be, let them live, and you live peacefully as well. That's my message for today. And please give me some positive feedback by ordering me a print. It'd be really nice if you appreciate my work. And if you want me to cook anything also, it's still lockdown, it's not completely done. So let me know any recipes you'd like to know or any thing you'd like me to cook, and let's cook up a storm. But let's cook up a storm of positivity. Enough of this negative stuff. Let negative people do their negative stuff. We are positive people and we're going to focus on positivity. And this video is not about someone's death, so please don't take it otherwise. I'm not speaking for anybody or against anybody at the moment. I'm sure justice will prevail for Sushant Singh as well. I really pray for him, and if people are culpable, I hope they're really brought to book. But in the meantime, let's us not lose our focus and let's be positive. And I am gonna go eat my butter chicken and feel very positive. You also do something great. Bye.